going to begin by giving my head a good old scratch. It feels so amazing just to be able to scratch your scalp. So I have had my hair straightened for about 2.5 weeks, and my scalp is dying to be wet and is dying to be moisturized. So I definitely needed this. My hair was extremely poofy too, obviously because my hair is natural, so it's not going to be as straight as when I first got it done. So yeah, I'm going to begin by going in with the wide tooth comb, just combing all of those tangles out before I begin, but we're going to detangle a lot throughout this video. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair. Before I wet my hair, I really wish I would have did a hot oil treatment because I had a lot of dandruff, and I had to remember that I didn't moisturize my hair for the whole 2 weeks, let alone I didn't moisturize my scalp. So that was no bueno for me. So if you're like me and always have a dry scalp, go ahead and do a hot oil treatment. After I finish wetting my hair, I'm going to go in with a As I Am coconut co-wash. I do this because I need a product that's going to detangle my hair very well. I really like the coconut co-wash by As I Am just because it is a great detangler and it's very moisturizing. Instead of using the coconut co-wash, I'm using the dandruff and olive oil co-wash. I like this one just as much as well. They're both great for me. After that, I'm going to keep on applying the co-wash to my hair. I'm going to section my hair off and detangle just so I can get all those knots and tangles out from now being in the curly state. After I do that, I'm going to rinse my hair out to rinse the co-wash. Then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo twice. So when I'm sectioning my hair, I'm also putting them in twists so that the sections stay in my head so I don't have to keep on sectioning over and over again. I'm going to repeat with the Dr. Miracles shampoo, and then I'm going to repeat with the Sea Salt Native shampoo. I really like that native shampoo because it has a great lather. I really, really love that. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to quickly explain what I was going to do and just enjoy the rest of the video. I hope it relaxes you and I hope it inspires you to take care of your hair. This feels so good. Okay, now I'm over here, mommy. I'm about to use this.
You should put that in the video.
What?
No, just do it like something funny.
What? Oh.
Moni.